Tourism and travel are among the most important activities that a person practices in his life. It allows him to learn about new cultures and meet new people. It also contributes to improving physical and mental health. Traveling gives a person the opportunity to have a happier life by getting to know new places, learning new things, meeting new people, and having new experiences. In this video, we will take you on a journey of one of the most beautiful cities in the world, which is Dubai. Dubai combines the past and the present. If you are looking for the best things to do in Dubai, we have just created a list of them in this Dubai travel guide. Burj Khalifa. The tallest building in the world, its height is 828 meters, the tallest atmosphere in Dubai. Its construction was completed in 2010. The Burj Khalifa is a landmark in Dubai, a symbol of progress and prosperity, and is one of the most beautiful tourist attractions in the world, attracting millions of visitors every year. If you are looking for a unique experience, a visit to the Burj Khalifa is definitely the perfect place for you. A world of fantasy and beauty. Dubai Mall. The Dubai Mall is the largest mall in the world, with more than 1,200 stores, 200 restaurants, 12 hotels, 10 theaters, and 20,000 parking spaces. It is located in Dubai and spreads over an area of 12 million square feet. The Dubai Mall opened in 2008 and has quickly become one of the most popular shopping destinations in the world. The mall attracts more than 80 million visitors each year, and is the largest mall in the world by number of visitors. Palm Jumeriah. The Palm Jumeriah in Dubai is an artificial island shaped like a palm tree. It features luxury resorts, beautiful beaches, and recreational facilities. It also includes a variety of restaurants and shops. Palm Jumeriah is one of the famous tourist attractions in Dubai and attracts visitors from all over the world. Dubai Marina is a luxury residential and commercial district in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is considered one of the most modern and thriving areas in the city. Dubai Marina stretches along the coast of the Arabian Gulf and has a marina that can accommodate many luxury yachts. Dubai Marina is characterized by its tall towers and magnificent modern architecture. There are many luxury residential towers and high-end hotels that offer stunning views of the blue waters and marine facilities. Dubai Desert. You can enjoy sandboarding, camel riding, and four-wheel drive vehicles. You can also enjoy desert safari, barbecue experience, and watch the magical sunset. There are also exciting options such as paragliding and motorbike tours. Make sure you choose a trusted party and follow the safety guidelines. In the end, I hope that you have benefited from this short and interesting trip to the City of Dreams, Dubai, and that we have helped you choose the best places that you will visit on your first visit to Dubai. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like.